Hello and welcome to Crystal Crafts with Dee. Today I'd like to show you an unboxing of two Diamond Dotz diamond paintings that I just got. So I will start off with the smaller one. So Diamond Dotz have different categories. So they have beginner, intermediate, advanced, that sort of thing. Both of these are intermediate. And this one is of a Renoir painting called Two Sisters on the Terrace. It is a partial diamond painting, so the partial bits are the faces and the hands, but the rest of it is all drills. So I'll get stuck into it and we'll have a look and see what comes in this kit. So I love how they come in these boxes. It keeps them well protected. You don't get creases in your diamond paintings, and it's just good quality. I like it. So that's the little thumbnail picture there. And let's get stuck inside and have a look. Got it. Okay. So we've got your canvas. It comes rolled up and in a plastic sleeve. And that's it in that box. So you've got in here your drills and your drill kit. But let's have a look at the canvas. So I'll just take it out of the plastic sleeve. Where are we? So your Diamond Dotz, they have a clear plastic covering. Inside, you get directions and color pictures, instructions in all different languages on how to start your diamond painting. Alright, so there's your diamond painting there. I cannot get it any further in the picture. So yeah, so you've got the bits that you do not drill are the faces and the hands. I love this. I think this is just going to come up beautifully. The drills that come with Diamond Dotz, they're very good quality. They're very uniform, and quite often you'll get AB coating on some of the drills. The grid is really easy to work with, and it's clear and easy symbols. And these are my favorite diamond paintings. I love Diamond Dotz. It just oozes quality and I just love it. So on the canvas itself too, you get these scalloped edges. It's just nice. The whole thing is nice. So your design size is 42 by 52 centimeters, and it also lists the fabric size 50 by 60. Just says there. Very nice. Your symbols. How many are there? There are 33 colors in this one. So there's your symbols key. So you can see the symbols are nice and clear. The color background on the symbols. There's no second guessing. Just love it. The drill field. Like the canvas feels really lovely too. But your drill field's nice and clear. It's just very nice. So I'm not sure how the faces will look once the drills come up on it, but I think it'll come up nice. Very nice. So there you go, that's your canvas. Just flip him over and we'll have a look at what comes in here. Alright, so you get a little toolkit here. Put him over there. Okay, so in this toolkit you get your typical drill pen. You get a little squidgy thing for your fingers. I like how you get these trays because they're really easy to get the drills out, pour them back into the container. You get quite a few Ziploc bags. And the wax. So I love how the wax comes in a little screw top jar. I'm still using the first wax jar that I got when I very first started to diamond paint. My first diamond painting was a diamond Dotz, and it was a little dove. It was only small, and I've been hooked ever since, but I'm still using the wax that I got in that kit. So a little goes a long way with these guys. I'll put them over there. We'll have a look at these drills. So we've got 33 in all. Alright, so we've got them in strips. Of these drills, like I said, they're really good quality. They're cut really nicely, so they sparkle just beautifully. They're just gorgeous to work with. Those ones. And so you've got some yellows and some greys. Reds. Sparkle. And I haven't had a diamond painting yet where there weren't enough drills from Diamond Dotz. They always give you plenty to work with. Some beautiful colors there. There you go, some blues and reds. Browns. Gorgeous colors. And then last but not least, got some burgundies, some gray, nice colors, and some reds, and some more browns. So that's going to be, that's going to come up beautiful. Looking forward to doing that one. It's your two sisters Renoir painting. Beautiful. So I'm sure I'll be doing a work in progress and a review on this one eventually down the track. So on to the next one. So the next one here is called the Galah Quartet. It is also an intermediate. Again, beautiful box. It's got directions on the back. For those who haven't done much diamond painting or you're starting out, it's got your little thumbnail there on the back. Alright, so let's get stuck into it. It's just a bit hard to get it open. Alright, so we have your canvas. And your drills. Alright, let's get into the canvas. Okay. So again with this one, it's very clear down the bottom that it's a Diamond Dotz, the product number, the name of it, Galah Quartet, your design size, and the fabric size. So your design size is 47 by 57 centimeters, and your fabric size is 55 by 65, a little bit bigger than the other one. Again, with these scalloped edges. You also get your little instruction for wacky in there. Alright. Oh, wow. Oh, I love that. This is a partial as well. And it's of your 4 galahs. I cannot get that all in the one shot, but anyway. So basically the bits that you do not drill that are printed are your background bits. And your galahs and your vegetation, etc. are all drilled. Another thing I want to point out too that I really like with the diamond dots is that the drills don't go right to the edge. So I don't know if you can see it there, but they have like one row of print. And I like that because it gives it such a smooth finish. So your drills aren't right on the edge of the actual design. You've got that little bit of a a little bit of a blurred edge there, which it just makes it look so much nicer. It gives it a better finish. So there you go, there's your glass. It is gorgeous. And we have 37 colors on this one. Again, they do like to use a lot of symbols with diamond dots. I'm not a fan of that, but having said that, they are very clear and easy to see. So it's really no big deal, but normally I don't like using symbols. I prefer the alphabet and the numbers, but again, your symbols are very clearly printed and the background color on those symbols are very clear. So yeah, it's easy enough. So I'll try and get you up to the drill field. Such a pretty galahs. And of course with the beautiful shine on those drills, it's just going to look beautiful. Gorgeous. So that's going to come up beautiful. All right, so we'll flip her over and we'll have a look at those drills. So you've got your standard tool kit, Ziploc bags, your finger cushion, and your another little jar of wax, which I absolutely love, and your drills. Okay, so we've got some pretty blues and browns and your grays. Very nice. Got some reds, and these greens here are that AB coating. Give them that extra sparkle. Got a few different greens there. Some browns. Like I say, look at that shine. They do it well. And some pretty pinky oranges. Some good Outback colors. Some blacks and yellows. Dark grays. Oops. Dark grays. And some cream or whitey color with some AB coating on them. So that's going to be gorgeous. So there you go, there's my galahs. Wowie. I've had my eye on this one for a while, actually. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to get it. So there you go. There's my diamond dots that I just got. I get most of my diamond dots from a place called Dotz Direct. Their website is www.dotzdirect.com.au in Australia. Their website has so many to choose from, and they are grouped into your levels: beginners, intermediates, advanced. When you actually click on it and have a look at each design, it shows you the design as a finished drill painting, which I really like. So there's no surprises. You know what it's going to look like when you do it up. So, and it's got all the sizes. It's very easy to use, his website. So I highly recommend this company. They are very quick with their shipping. If you have any issues, they're on top of it, like big time. Very, very good to deal with. So that's dotzdirect.com.au, and I will put that in the comments section as well. So there you go. 2 diamond dots, diamond paintings. Again, I will do both of them as a works in progress and a review as well. So stay tuned for that. And thank you for watching Crystal Crafts with Day. I'll see you next time. Bye.